Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video, I will be showing you how to report someone on Bigo Live. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First up, we'll open up Bigo Live. Make sure you have already downloaded Bigo Live on your device. Here, go to the video. Here, find a video or a person to whom you want to report. So let's say I want to report this person. Simply go to the profile picture that is just shown here. Click on it. It will navigate you to the profile page of a person to whom you want to report. Now you can see 3 dots on top right corner. Simply tap on it. Now it will show you option report, block or cancel. As you are here to report someone, simply tap on report and here select the reason why you want to report this user. Let me select this one and tap on submit button. Again, select the violation content, in which video you find that the video is violating society. So simply select that video. Let me select this one and then tap on submit button. So you have successfully reported someone on Bigo Live. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like,